Good morning. Today is Monday, March 9th, 2026. I'm here at Bulls Bay. This is Liberty Call. I did do a hull clean. I will show you in a second, but I do want to see something that, or show you something that concerns me just a bit. We usually have applications that help make this yellowing go away. I'm hesitant to use it just because this doesn't usually, it doesn't really look like it's just the yellowing, but it looks like some of your gel coat or the paint above the waterline is starting to fail. I'm getting this on documentation so Dane can also go over it real quick, because it does look like it's failing and I don't want to put the application on here and then it get worse. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you this spot. It's all on the transom and just a little bit towards the stern of the boat, and that's about it. So now let me go ahead and show you the hull clean where you can see what I did. Thank you for choosing DS Dust.